Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 11 End of Module Project 1. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Start the project. Open the file, save it as a new version, and verify your name in cell B6. Enable the Developer tab if needed. Step 2. Unprotect the worksheet. Unprotect the patient survey sheet using the password Menlo 20. Step 3. Customize the theme. Change fonts to Arial, heading, and Calisto MT, body. Set the hyperlink color to dark purple, background 2 and save as Menlo. Step 4. Insert formula. In D8, reference the phone number from G24. Step 5. Add option button. Insert an option button in E14, label it I don't know, and link it to $I$25 with 3D shading. Step 6. Distribute buttons. Align and distribute the rating option buttons horizontally. Step 7. Format group box. Rename the group box rating and apply 3D shading. Step 8. Add checkbox. Insert a checkbox labeled TV in H16, link to $N$24, and align with social media. Step 9. Add macro button. Insert a clear button in H18, H19, resize, and assign the clear data macro. Step 10. Fix macro and test. Update the save data macro range to A24, N24. Enter the patient data, select options, and run the macro. Step 11. Format patient information. Unhide the patient information sheet, add the logo.png background, then hide it again. Step 12. Enhance chart. Add line sparklines, G6, G9, a chart legend, and an offset, center outer shadow. Step 13. Save custom view. Zoom to 80% and save as visits. Step 14. Finalize and submit. Save, close, and submit the workbook as instructed. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.